Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to prepare this tomato sauce which you're seeing in this video. Guys, this tasted so good, so delicious, everybody loved it. So, and I was saying, guys, you need to try this at home if you've not tried it before. If you've not tried this, if you tried it, try this my recipe. If you've not tried it, try it. I encourage you to try it. And guys, I would like you to share your pictures with me on my social media handles. Tag me when you share the pictures and the videos of your own food. So I start by cutting these fresh tomatoes into small cubes. I cut the tomatoes, has this onion sliced, and I also chopped the red bell pepper into small cubes. So I reserved this red bell peppers and these onions, which I'll be using in the end of the video. So the first thing I did was to cook the tomato until the tomato stops tasting raw. Of course, the tomato seed I used, the tomatoes especially I used was not really tasting raw because I used the Jaws tomato, the popular Jaws tomato, you know, forgotten the name, but is the one they call Jaws when you get to the market. So the tomato on itself was tasting sweet. So but in process of the cooking I added in water because the water in the tomato dried so quickly, so I had to add in more water to the tomatoes. So when the tomato had cooked enough to my satisfaction, I added in the meat stock with the meat, added the crayfish. So the crayfish, I added in the smoked fish, but if you don't have smoked fish available, if you have sardine, you can use both, but the both are optional. You can get this recipe even without any of this. So I later on added in some spices. I added thyme, I added curry powder, I also added some seasoning cubes, some chicken stock. I added chicken stock. So, and I added enough pepper because I feel this needs pepper, lots of pepper. But if you are not pepper type, please skip this step. So I allowed to cook for some time before adding in the vegetables, the onions which I reserved, and the red bell pepper, and the ugu leaf, which you can use any other vegetable available. If you don't have ugu, you can use green, you can even use spinach. So guys, and the outcome was so superb, delicious, yummy. You cannot afford not to taste it. Like, even me cooking this, I could not wait for the food to get done for me to have a taste. So guys, if you like the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up, share the video on social media platform. This is Christmas period, people will be preparing so many things with tomatoes, so share this video so that it will reach a lot of people, so that they will see that they can also prepare their tomato with this recipe, and everybody will still enjoy them. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video soon. Bye.